Okay guys, here it is. I've bought this exhaust for my Thunderbird. There's a part number. Off-road silencer kit for 3B50 and TB500 for 2833 from Royal Enfield showroom or service center, actually spare parts. So I'm going to replace my stock exhaust with this off-road exhaust. So here it is, the stock exhaust. Actually, I don't mind this exhaust. The only thing what I don't like is the whistling sound I get from exhaust. So let me show you once again. This one, the sort of sound. So now let me get it replaced. So I'll show you how it sounds. Guys, here I've changed the exhaust. So let me just start it up. The engine is very cool because I've started it just now in morning, so it's hesitating a bit. So I hope you can spot the difference. It's not too loud, but it has good amount of bass compared to the stock one.